In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Google site. This process will not only enhance the functionality of your site, but also improve the user experience by making it easier for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. Let's begin the step-by-step walkthrough so you can set this up seamlessly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to a specific URL. Head over to http://pastebin.com/hfrtvrd. This website hosts the code you'll need for integrating a search bar into your site, and it's as simple as copying this piece of pre-written code. Take a moment to locate the code section on the page. It's typically highlighted for ease of access. Once found, highlight the entire block of code and copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by right-clicking with your mouse and selecting copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now that you have the necessary code, it's time to transition over to your Google Sites editor. Open your site and find where you would like to place the search bar. Once you've decided on the location, look for the embed option, which is usually represented with a small chain link icon or labeled as embed. Click on this to proceed. You'll now be prompted with an option to either insert a URL or embed code. Since we have our code ready, click on the embed code tab. This allows you to directly paste the copied code into your Google site. Go ahead and paste your code there by right-clicking again and selecting paste, or using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. With the code in place, you'll notice a next button, typically located at the bottom of the embed section. Clicking this will give you a preview of how the search bar will look on your site. If everything appears correctly and you're satisfied with the placement, proceed by clicking on the Insert button. Now, the search bar is embedded into your site, however you might find that it's either too large or too small for your site's layout. You can easily adjust the size to fit your specifications by clicking on the edges of the search bar and dragging to resize it. Pay attention to proportion so that it remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, the search bar is now part of your Google site, enhancing its navigation and usability. Feel free to move it around or adjust it further until it's perfect. With this tool, visitors can more easily find the information they need, making their and your site experience much smoother. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you run into any issues or have further questions. Happy creating!